Welcome to part 1 of unboxing the uBreathe Mini Lite. That's the packaging. As you can see, it comes with the soil mix and leca balls. We've chosen to get the plant kit as well, so we get the plant as well as the soil mix and the leca ball. Now we'll be opening the packaging, which is completely recyclable and sustainable. Here we have the adapter and the brochure along with the plant. So that's the adapter that comes with the uBreathe Mini Lite that you will need to switch it on. The purifying planter also comes with an additional cloth packaging to protect it from any damages during transit. That's what the inside of the pot looks like.
Okay.
Now let's add some soil that comes with the plant kit. You add it. Once you've added the soil mix and set the soil, you will need to take the plant out of its original pot and place it very carefully within the uBreathe Mini Lite and add some soil mix on top additionally. The next step is to add the leca balls that come with the plant kit. Remember that these leca balls help the plant to retain its moisture and must be added to the periphery of the uBreathe Mini Lite. Your uBreathe Mini Lite is now ready to set up on your workspace or on your desk. You can also use the uBreathe Mini Lite on your bedside table as it also has a very cute lamp.